Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to share with you guys what I got for Fukubukuro. Before I go ahead and show you what I got, I did just want to talk a little bit about what Fukubukuro is because I'm sure there might be some questions. So Fukubukuro usually it's on January 1st, but this year the mall had it from the 1st through the 3rd, and it started basically first thing in the morning. It says 9:30, so that's probably when the stores open. So in this little pamphlet here was just a list of all the different stores that you could go to that were participating. Some examples would be things like Diesel, Forever 21, Sephora, Jimmy Choo. There was also Ferragamo, Sunglass Hut, and Ted Baker. As you can see, the list is a little bit longer than that, and basically when you go into the store, it's pretty clear which items are, the participating items that you could purchase in this style of like it being a surprise and you not knowing what's inside. Usually the stores don't allow you to return the items after you purchase it either, because that's the whole purpose. It's like you're getting something and you don't know what's going to be in there. For me personally, I think it's pretty fun, and to be honest with you, it's not like everything's really expensive. You can definitely find bags that are around $20 or maybe even less, all the way up to some designer items like I mentioned Ferragamo was on here. I know Gucci participated in the past. So it just, depending on what you're comfortable with, all of the items that I got in this video, like I was okay with spending the amount at the store. It wasn't like too crazy for me. Yeah, I just went to 2 stores and I think overall I spent maybe a little less than $100. So I'm just gonna show you what I got in the bags. I did go ahead and already open them up because I just couldn't wait, but usually it would be totally a surprise because you don't know what's inside anyway. So let me just get right into it. So I actually think that this bag is a really good example of what Fukubukuro is kind of all about. So on the top you can see this sticker. It says Fukubukuro 2019 and it has sale price was $46.32 and the retail value, meaning the contents of the bag, are worth $134.55. So what Papyrus did is they had these bags all sealed up. You couldn't see what's inside, and you just basically have to pick whichever bag you think you might get something that you like, or it's really just a lucky thing. So the way that I go about it really is I just look for the biggest difference here so that I get like more value, I guess. And the longer you take, the more you'll be mad at yourself if you didn't get something that you like. So I just really just grab whichever one. So really I just asked her, can I get the one that is has the most expensive sale price, and then there were 2, so I just picked the one that had the biggest discount really. The first item that I got from Papyrus is this 2019 succulent calendar. So it's called Succulent Paradise, and then on the back it just shows the different months and the different floral designs. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna put this by my desk where I do some other filming, so you probably will see this calendar behind me in upcoming videos. In my opinion, you can't really go wrong with the calendar. I think that this is a great idea, especially because Fukubukuro happens around January 1st. So that's just perfect because you get a calendar at the very beginning of the year. So I also got these 2 spools of ribbon. So it says Papyrus Designer Ribbon, and I have it in this red color with like little white pom-poms on the sides, and also this white kind of glittery iridescent ribbon. So I can definitely use this in Christmas presents for next year. The next item is this box of Christmas cards. So it has this really fancy, I think it's actually like a metallic leather, this dove, I'm guessing it's a dove, on the front cover right here. The card is blue and it has little stars all around it. There are 8 cards in here. It says 8 handmade notes, and inside it says, may the spirit of the season bring peace to all. So I can definitely use this coming up next year too, so maybe some of my friends who are watching this video might get a card that looks like this from me, but that's the next thing that I got in the bag. I also got this candle. So it's in a orange glass and it's a 2-wick candle, and the scent of this candle is mango and koa wood. So on here it says C of L. I'm not sure what that means. I think it's like Clinton's of, I'm not sure where. I'm gonna guess London or something like that. But anyways, this is the candle that came inside of the bag as well, and there is one more item. So the last item in here is a papyrus journal, and this is wrapped in like a green suede. So it says handmade in Italy for Papyrus, and it just opens up like this. And yeah, it's just a lined journal. So I think this is pretty cool. I've never had a notebook like this before, and I definitely want to try journaling a little bit more. So maybe this is something that I can use for that in 2019. The other store that I went to was LUPICIA, and LUPICIA is a tea store. And sorry, this bag looks totally messed up, but it's because they taped it closed really well. It actually was this bag turned upside down in another bag. This bag was $50, so the contents of this bag is worth $100. At LUPICIA, they actually had 3 different sections. So they had a $35 bag, this $50 bag, and a $100 bag. The $35 bag only contained tea, and the $50 and $100 bag also contained like some kind of tea set or something. So I was curious about that, which is why I went ahead and got the $50 bag. So some of you out there might not necessarily be tea drinkers, but for me personally, I don't drink coffee. I usually stick to tea. I used to drink coffee back in college, but not anymore, which is why I went to LUPICIA. I knew that I'd be able to get something and make use out of it. So this is what I guess they considered the tea set. So basically I got this little pitcher right here, and this would make iced tea. At LUPICIA they sell a lot of loose leaf teas, so they have this like little infuser strainer thing right here that you can put your tea in. There's also some instructions that I was reading, so it tells you how long to put your cold tea in the fridge or let it sit with the tea leaves. So I think I will be able to make use out of this, and to me I feel like this will make like 2 or 3 cups of tea. So I'm looking forward to using this, which is another reason why I wanted to make this video, so I could, you know, get started with making some iced tea. So the rest of the items in the bags are all teas, and there's quite a few bags of teas that I have here. I want to say it's maybe around like 10 bags of teas, combination of loose and tea and tea bags. So the first one here is Sukaru green tea. So this is an apple green tea. It says Japanese green tea flavored with Sun Tsugaru apples from Aomori Prefecture in Japan. There are also instructions on here like how long to brew your tea and the water temperature. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having this tea. I think I have this in tea bags, and it tastes really good, so I'm excited. I love apple teas. The next one that I have here is another flavored tea. This one says Jardin Sauvage. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it says green robios from South Africa is scented with flavor of ripe mango and citrus fruits. So that one sounds pretty good to me too. I do like mango and citrus flavors, so I think it'll taste good in this tea. I'm gonna guess it's probably like a black tea or something, so that sounds good to me. So the next one that I have here is also flavored tea. It's called Wedding, and it says sweet fruit flavored tea with bright colored flower petals, perfect for celebration. So this one sounds pretty interesting. It says it's a black tea with marigold, rose petal, rose hip, cornflower, and I'm not sure what the last thing says, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this one, to be honest with you guys, but I mean, might as well try it. I got it in this bag with everything else. Okay, so this one that I have here is vanilla. So it says black tea scented with vanilla. Its gentle flavor goes well with milk. So this one, I'm a little bit like also not sure if I'm gonna like this or not. I don't normally put milk in my tea. I usually just drink tea kind of like how it is. But again, you know, try new things in 2019, so I will see how this one goes as well. Okay, next up I have tea bag. So this is a 10 tea bag pouch right here. It says cinnamon cookie puree. So this one looks like it's supposed to taste like cinnamon cookies. It says tea finished with sweet cinnamon cookies and coffee. Add a little milk for a creamy and satisfying tea break. This one should be pretty interesting, and to be honest with you, if I happen to know anyone that likes this kind of stuff, I might just start giving these away to some of my friends. This is also not necessarily something I would normally try, but I mean, like I said, trying new things in 2019. This is another bag of tea bags. So this one says a full-bodied yet mellow black tea with mild sweetness. It is perfect to enjoy with lots of milk. I do enjoy drinking black tea. I normally drink it plain. Like I said, I don't usually add milk into it, so I probably will keep this one and just have plain black tea. Okay, so I have 3 more tea bags to go. So this one is Alfonso Mango. The kings of mango, Alfonso mangoes, were used to scent this black tea. So this one sounds like something that I would enjoy as well, black tea with mango flavor. This next one is called Anella. It says a sweet aromatic strawberry and lychee flavored black tea, perfect for iced tea. This one actually sounds like something that I would really like. I do like strawberries and I like lychee. And in black tea, I feel like this one is just gonna taste like really great, and I can definitely use my new tea infuser to make this. So this is the last one that I have. It is called the Momo Oolong Super Grande. High quality Taiwanese oolong tea is flavored with fresh Japanese peaches. This one actually sounds really good to me, and I think this is might be a newer flavor that LUPICIA came out with. I did see it during the holidays. We were looking for some gifts, and I got really excited when I saw Momo Oolong because I know Momo means peach, and peach and oolong tea sounds good to me. So this is also something that I'm looking forward to trying, and I could probably also make this in a iced tea kind of way. So I'm looking forward to trying this and all of the other teas that I got. Thanks for watching this video. If you like any of the items that I mentioned in this video, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below. If you like watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.